Reviewing part 3 of the notes. At the top, air pressure is due to the weight of all the air molecules above us, and air pressure is about 14 pounds per square inch at sea level on the average. Okay, the video. Number 1, 4 layers are distinct because of their different... Cindy, do you have the answer, number 1?
No, that was the one that I did.
Okay. Kayla? Nope. Tyler Matthews? How about Natalie? Different temperatures. The troposphere is where all living things are found, and all, let's see here, moving up to Parnell. Do you have number 2 done?
I didn't get that.
Okay. Daryl?
I don't have that one either.
Logan?
Nope.
How about weather? As you go up in this layer, temperature goes, Tyler?
Down.
Down is correct. The stratosphere contains the it's the ozone layer. Number 5, ozone protects us from, Romeo?
Ultraviolet.
Yep. Ultraviolet rays from the sun. Ozone molecules have how many atoms?
4.
Joe?
Sorry, I was just thinking
That's all right. Number 6, ozone molecules have how many? 3 atoms. Normal oxygen that we breathe has 2. We do not like to breathe ozone. It's not healthy for us. Logan?
Number 7.
Yep. Converts sunlight to heat. That's correct.
I want to breathe ozone.
Ozone converts sunlight to heat, which warms the air in this layer. The mesosphere is where the temperature starts to decrease.
What was number 7? We can see that.
Heat. Oh, you can't see it. I'm sorry. Number 9, this change occurs because the mesosphere does not have ozone molecules. The mesosphere has tiny crystals of ice floating in it, and this helps the mesosphere to protect us from meteors. Meteors collide with all the ice, and that makes friction, that slows things down, burns up the meteors, makes them bright. I have heard that most of the shooting stars that we see are actually the size of peas, and they burn up very quickly, but boy, they burn up brightly. The temperature of the thermosphere gets up to 1,800 degrees Celsius as you go up and up and up, because nothing protects it from the sunlight. The thermosphere is broken into 2 parts. The lower part is the ionosphere. It's full of charged particles, charged atoms. Radio waves bounce off it. In the ionosphere, the light's called the northern lights. I think the technical term is the aurora borealis. This is made when the solar particles hit a hot air way up there. The upper part of the thermosphere is called the exosphere.
We can't see that.
Thank you. I appreciate your helpfulness in telling me when I need to slide the paper up. This is where satellites orbit Earth. So when the astronauts go up to the space station, they're not really out of the atmosphere. There's still a little bit of air, just a tiny bit. And so that gives you just a tiny bit of air friction. So slowly the space station will fall to Earth. It will slow down enough that it just comes on down. Okay. Turning the page, we have the wrap-up. Please tear that out at this time and answer those questions.